Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Welcome back to our channel Bloom German. This is the video series for the beginners or A1 level. Friends, today we will learn what are the Frage or WH words in a German and how to frame the question sentences or questions in a German language. So the name of our today's topic is Lektion 25. Frage Wörter, the Frage Wörter, the question words. Before moving to our today's topic, we will see what are the question words we are going to learn throughout this presentation. Our first question word is where, meaning is who. Next question word is wie, meaning is how. Was, meaning is what. Wo, meaning is where. Woher, meaning is where from. Wohin meaning is where to. Wann meaning is when. Was für meaning is what kind of. Warum meaning is why. Wie oft meaning is how often. Wie viel meaning is how much. Wie viele meaning is how many. Welcher, welcher and welches meaning is which. Welcher is used for the masculine gender, welche is used for the feminine gender and welches is used for the neutral gender. First question word is where. Now let's learn how to form the questions with this. Meaning is who. Who is this? Who is he? Question can be formed as where is er? Who is he? Das ist ein Küchenchef. Der Küchenchef. Now rule for forming the sentence. WH word plus verb plus subject plus object. Next question is wer lernt gern deutsche Sprache? Who likes to learn German language? Suppose she is Anna. Das ist Anna und sie mag die deutsche Sprache gern zu lernen. She is Anna and she likes to learn the German language a lot. Wer schläft gern? Who likes to sleep? Das ist Julia und sie mag schlafen gern. Our next question word is wie, meaning is how. First question is wie geht's? This is a common question. Meaning is how are you? Ich bin gut. Wie heißt du? How are you called as? Or what is your name? Ich heiße Supriya. Oder ich heiße Peter. Or mein Name ist Anna. Wie kommen Sie zum Flughafen? How do you get to the airport? Now I want to say I travel to the airport by taxi. Now what can be the answer? Ich bin mit dem Taxi zum Flughafen gefahren. Move on to our next slide. Was meaning is what. This is an apple. Now I want to frame a question with that. Was heißt apple of Deutsch? Again, look at the rule. WH question followed by the verb, followed by the subject and object. Answer can be Apple heißt der Apfel auf Deutsch. This is the pencil, the Bleistift. Question is, was ist das? Das ist eine Bleistift. Wo meaning is where. First question is, wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live? This is a map of Berlin. Now I want to form a sentence. Ich wohne in Berlin. Now this is my answer. Wo bist du? Where are you? Suppose I am in a vegetable market or in a marketplace. Now answer can be ich bin in dem Marktplatz. Der Marktplatz. Wo arbeitest du? Where do you work? Ich arbeite in BMW. Next question word is woher. Meaning is where from. First question is woher kommst du? Where do you come from? Suppose I am coming from the university. So die Universität. Answer can be ich komme aus die Universität. Next question is woher kommt deine Mutter? From where your mother is coming? Suppose she is coming from the supermarket, their supermarket. Answer can be meine Mutter kommt aus den Supermarkt. Our next question word is wohin, meaning is where to. Question is wohin gehen Sie? Where are you going? Suppose I am going to the sea beach. Der Meerstrand. Sea beach is called as der Meerstrand in a German language. Answer can be ich gehe zum Meerstrand. I am going to the sea beach. Why zum? Because of zu. Zu is a dative preposition. Because of zu, der Meerstrand changes to the dem Meerstrand. So ich gehe zum Meerstrand. Next question is wohin fährst du? Suppose I am going to the Mumbai or I am traveling to the Mumbai. Ich fahre nach Mumbai. There is one more way to write down the same question. Wo geht in? Now here we can break the wo. Hin goes to the end. What is the rule? WH word followed by the verb, subject, object if there are any, and in the last we have to write down hin. Question word is wann, meaning is when. Wann kommt der Bus? Suppose the bus is coming at 8 o'clock. So der Bus kommt 8 Uhr. Next question is wann gehen Sie wir zu der Schule? When we are going to the school. Suppose tomorrow we are going. Wann gehen Sie? Where are you going? Again, this is a question. Was für, what kind of. Was für Filmen sieht gern? What kind of films does he like to watch? Suppose he like to watch the action films. Now answer can be sieht den Actionfilm gern. He loves to watch the action film a lot. Next question is was für Pflanzen hast du? What kind of plants do you have? Now I want to give the answer. I have the flowering plants. Now answer can be ich habe blühende Pflanzen. I have the flowering or blooming plants. Next question word is wie oft. First question is wie oft sprechen Sie Deutsch? How often do they speak German? Answer can be Sie sprechen meistens Deutsch mit ihren Freunden. They mostly speak the German with their friends. Wie oft gehen Sie im Supermarkt or Markt? How often you goes to the market? Suppose I go to the market once in a week. So answer can be ich gehe einmal in der Woche auf den Markt. Once in a week, einmal in der Woche. Woche is die Woche again because of in. That is a dative preposition. Die Woche changes to the der Woche. So ich gehe einmal in der Woche auf den Markt. The next question word is warum, meaning is why. My first question with the warum is warum lernst du Deutsch? Why are you learning the German language? Bitte schreiben Sie die Antwort auf diese Frage in den Kommentarbereich. Please write down the answer to this question, your answer to this question in a comment section after watching this video. This is your house of Kabe. Now my answer is: Ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich gerne neue Kulturen erkunde. I love to explore the new culture. Our next question is: Warum ist die Sonne sehr heiß? Why the sun is very hot? Because of Kernfusion, nuclear fusion, hydrogen changes to the helium. Because of this, the sun is very hot. Move on to our next slide. Wie viele, how many? First question with wie viele is: Wie viele Tage sind in einer Woche? How many days are in a week? Now look at here. Woche is the week, Woche. So in his here, that is a dative proposition. That's why eine Woche changes to the einer Woche. Now my answer is: Ein Woche hat 7 Tage. Next question is: Wie viele Uhr ist es? What is the time? Es ist kurz für 12. Wie viele Tage sind in einem Jahr? How many days are there in a week? In ein Jahr hat 365 Tage. Our next question word is welcher. It is a very important question word. First is welcher, welcher and welches. Welcher we are using for the masculine gender, welcher for the feminine and welches for the neutrum gender. I told you this is a very important because the question word get changed according to the noun, and also the rule for writing the question for this way Frage also get changed. Now let's see how, and we will see the example for each of them. First one is: Welche Farbe magst du am meisten? Which color do you like mostly? Now here we are using welche. Welche we are using for the feminine. I have already told you. Now Farbe is the Farbe. That's why welche Farbe. Now the rule is WH word followed by the noun plus verb plus subject and then object. Now here we are using magst. Magst is magen. Magen is the original verb, original modal verb. Now there is a rule. When we are using the modal verb, we have to write down the Hauptwort, that is a main verb, in the end of a sentence. So similar goes with the questions also, that we have already learned in our previous videos. If you haven't gone through that video, please learn. That is a very important topic. I will provide a link in a description box. Now the answer is: Ich mag rot Farbe gern. I love the red color, or I like the red color. Now my next question is: Welches Buch liest du? Which book are you reading? Now suppose she is Julia. Das ist Julia. Sie ist Julia. Julia mag romantisches Buch lesen gern. She loves to read the romantic book a lot. Here we are using welches because book is das Buch. That's why welches Buch liest du gern. Next question is: Welcher Tag war gestern? Which day was yesterday? Tag is their Tag. That's why I have written here Welcher Tag war gestern. Answer can be gestern war Samstag. I hope you have learned, enjoyed and understood today's topic. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing and commenting. Our next topic is trainbare Verben. So stay tuned. Herzlichen Dank für das Anschauen meines Video. Auf Wiedersehen. See you soon.